Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Dan Does Tech Stuff. So today I have something really cool to show you. So this is the old Street Fighter 2 stick that I bought back in the day. It must be at least 10 years old, if not older than that. And I was like a Street Fighter junkie for a long time, and of course to get the arcade experience at home, you needed to have an arcade stick. And so I think I paid like probably $149 for this back in the day. And I was looking online on eBay, and these are going anywhere for still $149 to up to $300 if it's new. But you know, I'm all about repurposing new technology, and so I had such success, you know, using this PlayStation 2 controller with my little Frankenstein gadgets and gizmos here, and it gave me like an idea of trying something. Okay, so today I'm going to show you if this all works. But one of the games that I grew up with besides Street Fighter 2 was Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And I remember as a kid, I was probably like 6, 7 years old in the arcades playing this game, you know, when my parents took me to the mall, and always wanted to kind of recreate that arcade experience at home, but didn't want to spend like an arm and a leg to do so. So what's cool about this arcade stick here in general is that on the back, it's actually still in good shape. So I had this in my closet, and it was collecting dust. But what's cool about this, see, this one had the option to play on like a OG Xbox or a PlayStation 2. Okay, so I am thinking this should work for the PlayStation 2 connector, right? So let's give that a go. Alright, let's get that all closed up. And this thing is massive. It must be, I would say at least, it feels like it's 20 pounds. It's huge. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this connected. Alright, so again, I got that PS2 to 360 connector. Alright. So hopefully you guys have been able to find this component. This is the one that's the trickiest one to find. So it might be trial and error to see which one actually works, but when you do, worth it. This one here is kind of the magic ingredient of it all. This is the Collective Mind switch up. So that is what you'll need. And obviously, if you have a dock, you could put this into the dock right there, and then all is good. But if you're doing like a direct connect like we're doing today, you'll need a USB-C to USB-A female. Okay, so that goes there. And let's see what we got here. So I am going to go ahead and connect this to my Switch. Boom. And let's see. Oh, nice. That is so cool. It works. Alright, let's try this Ninja Turtles game. This is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Cowabunga collection. So let's see. Does that work? What's this one? Oh, it's amazing. Okay, let's give it a nice. So if you have this controller, this is the Street Fighter 2 Anniversary Edition arcade stick, lying around, it works using this setup here for your Nintendo Switch. So let's give it a go on this Ninja Turtles game. Let's see. Oh, this is amazing. Okay. Gosh, this is super exciting. All right, let's see the intro. Now, if any of you ever played Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the arcade game back in the day at like a local arcade, you know what I'm talking about. It just works. Alright, let's do Leonardo. Alright, let's take a look. This is so cool. Alright, let's see if I can get into a game though. Okay, it just works. Alright, let me pick my character. Does that work? I don't know which controllers do what, but the fact that it works is phenomenal. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Okay, so that's my hit button. Which one's my jump button? That's jump. Oh, that's so cool. What do these other buttons do? That's jump. Oh, that's a special button. So that's jump. Okay, that's it. Oh my gosh, this brings back so many memories. This is so much. It was a cash cow for these arcade vendors, because obviously you would like, oh, I can put as many credits in there as I can. Alright, this is a bit of nostalgia, so definitely super excited that this works and I don't have to go out and buy like another arcade stick, and this feels pretty authentic. Alright. That's pretty cool. Alright. Okay, just wanted to put that on pause here. Alright guys, so it actually works. Okay, so if you have one of these old arcade sticks lying around, maybe you have not this brand but another brand, but I would probably suggest trying it out. So if you haven't seen from my previous videos, you'll need a PS2 to Xbox 360 adapter to the switch up, and then obviously if you have a direct connect to your dock, or if you want to connect to your Switch, you can. But if it does have a PS2 connector like this, you're able to make it work and get the arcade experience at home. So I can't wait to dock this and put on a big screen TV. But yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, so if you found any value in this video and you tried this at home and it works, fabulous. Please comment below your experience. If it's your first time coming to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and that way you get more content like this. And yeah, I appreciate you watching, and if anything, take care of yourself and each other, and we will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.